All right, we are back again on a new video. I saw this video of a Maxwell Opera's interview with this guy that interviewed him. I don't know his name. I stumbled on a post that made by one of the IPOB member. I don't know the person. Most of their platform is always unidentifiable. You don't know who is who. But he shared a video that I would like you to watch. Very, very interesting. Very, very, important for you to hear this because it is shocking to me because nobody know what happened to Mazi Kanu in Kenya, right? Everybody is just like living in, like a blind person when it comes to what Mazi Kanu went through in Kenya. You hardly hear anything, any credible information or in-depth information of what happened to him in Kenya, how he survived, what happened to him, how he was arrested, the torture and everything. We know that he spent 7 to 8 days in Kenya. Incommunicado. Nobody know about his whereabouts. Some of the things that happened to him, he shared it to Mazi, but who happened to be one of his lawyers, right? So we are going to hear from Mazi. But before then, please do me a favor, like the video. It is very, very shocking. As you can see on the title, I already, give you one of the things that you will hear from this interview. Please share this video. Very, very important. I want their friends to hear this. I want everybody who love or care for Mazi Kanu to hear this. Even a man or what Jesus son. Anyway, let's go there because it is something that we don't need to waste much time. Hear this. Nnamudi Kanu, should I just zoom it a little bit? Let me zoom it again. Just a moment. Let's expand it more. Nnamudi Kanu told me that Kenya police had already brought a car in which they plan to lock him in and burn him alive after he was tortured for 7 days until one junior officer refused, saying, "This man is innocent. I cannot be a party to it." Barrister Mazi said. This exposition is one of the things that happened to Mazi Kanu that nobody knows about. Only close person like his lawyer have this kind of they are privileged to hear from Mazi Kanu, and Mazi Kanu managed to share this one with them. Maybe there are other things that is not yet discussed, but here just a moment. Let's start from the beginning. I don't want to miss anything.
Somebody that was tortured for 7 days in Kenya, he told me that they have already brought car. That's why I'm looking at all those people that are attacking that young man. That young man is a different place. I must say it here. Nnamdi Kanu is not an ordinary human being. I must say it. Yes. If you're chasing him, you are just chasing somebody that did not commit anything against you. He said that they have already brought a car. That they should put him inside the car, lock it, and set the car ablaze. They are in Kenya. So only one police officer said no. The man said no, and the worst of it is that the police officer who was saying no was the most chilling. Said no, that he will not be party to this. This man is innocent. That he was taken back to Nigeria. That if the Nigeria are not coming to take him, that they will release him. That's why the then government send a private jet with the money. According to Nnamdi Kanu, I'm quoting Nnamdi Kanu what he told me. Yes. The money, the cash, dollars they give all those police officers. That's why from that place they detain Nnamdi Kanu straight to the tarmac. They brought him back here. As I speak to you, passport his British passport is still in Kenya. I don't know whether you know. His British passport is still in Kenya. The house where he was staying in Kenya is still under lock and key. His documents, everything is still in that place. Now they brought him here. I wish that you make our time to read the judgment of Kenya. You see what Kenya court did to their own country. There is no name they did not call that attitude and awarded hundreds of millions of naira in Mazi Kanu. I don't know whether you know.
Yes. So what about the British? He is a British citizen and was passport carrying. He was carrying his British passport during that journey. I think that should have been.
According to Mazi Kanu, one of the problems he's having is Britain.
Which is true.
You that, British government, those people, anything they are doing is their own selfish interest. They don't care
about their own citizens.
That is it. In the judgment they gave, one of the actors, I think that's the one, the son and the wife filed, they looked and said that they consider their relationship with Nigeria first before any other thing. It was in the judgment.
They prefer their relationship with Nigeria more than their own citizens.
Yes. Wow. Because how dare you, your own citizen that was kidnapped in a foreign country, against all the relevant international laws, because a tradition act made the procedure upon which somebody can be brought. The procedures are there, the laws are there. You must follow it. I give instance. All of us were here now. We saw an umbrella robbing in this police station, killing people. And the judge also witnessed it. And the police now came, arrest the armed robber, straight to the judge. And the judge said, yes, I saw you when you are robbing. I hereby sentence you to death by hanging. That judgment will not stand. Ask me why.
Why?
Because there is a procedure. When you get the armed robber, you take him to police. You ask him to make a statement. You carry out investigation. After carrying out investigation, you write your report. You send the file to the legal department for advice. Then they will not give you advice. You will not prefer a judge, and you will not arrange him in court. And when you not arrange him in court, you not read the charge to him. If he has no lawyer, the law says you provide the lawyer for him. That's why we have Ministry of Justice, that's why I have Legal Aid Council and the National Rights Commission. You provide the lawyer for him. Then you not ask him, did you understand the charge read to you?
Okay.
If you say you don't understand, which language do you understand? If you say Igbo, Hausa, you bring somebody to interpret to him. Do you understand it? He said yes. Guilty or not guilty? He said not guilty. He record. Now, even if he said guilty in all of them, will you convict? The answer is no. You say ask the prosecution to prove his case. He has pleaded guilty,
but he still needs to be proven.
The prosecution should also prove his case.
Oh.
Are you getting the procedure?
Yes, I'm getting.
We are talking about criminal procedure. You cannot just get somebody.
So a suspect must understand his crime.
These are the procedure now. We are talking about somebody's life. But that of Nnamudi was brought here. That's why Court of Appeal in that judgment said, no, you cannot do that. The circumstances upon which you brought Nnamudi should be considered. If it is established that he was brought under extraordinary condition, there is no charge. And that was what Court of Appeal said. But that one is a different ballgame altogether. What happened in trial court and the funny things that happened there, it has come and gone. The judge has convicted and sentenced. So,
This is shocking, isn't it? Wow. God. Just imagine, just like what Maxwell said, that Mazi is not an ordinary person. He's not an ordinary human being. He's a supreme being. I really thank God for his life. Tell me what you think about it. I don't want it to be too long. What do you think about this? Is this the first time you're hearing this like me? This is my first time. Or are you aware of what this kind of story? They have already prepared to burn him. Like he himself has said the car. They brought it out and he's aware what they intend to do. And the issue of Britain, as an evil person, you see any open boy Igbo. Ndị a na-akpọ Mazi nke ọzọ Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. I'm telling you. Ekpere m n'isi ka Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ. And ife ga-eme gị ka ịfụ the truth Yeah, Maggie. That like those things in the by J. Then they will go and I go that thing. That in the buy phone, the mother, some kind of when they think when on it. Me free, man, pretending I had any free, right? Give a hope, your portion. At least, couple I get a set your brain. I didn't know which will go on. I'm just saying, if I for mass kind of we pull in the one they buy again, if I the buy na abonda akọ keso ko isi akọ da na akọ ka go na na-ekwe Chineke ife na-eme na ka ife ga-eme gị ya were ife ga-eme gị garden relation related to that kind of that matter kind of man ka we can mee gị ka itinene ya bụ ife because ebe si na mmiri ọkụ ada egbu mbe ka gị wabụ mbe ba na mmiri ọkụ ka ịma ma ọ na-egbu mbe ka ọ dị egbu mbe ọgụkwala m n'ọnụ. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to hear from you, your comments. God bless you.